Nikah means sexual penetration, and halala means to make something halal or permissible. In the Quran Surah 2 verse 230 says, "So if a husband divorces his wife by saying talaq 3 times, then it is not lawful for him to remarry her until after she has married another man and then is divorced. Then it is permissible for them to reunite as long as they feel they are able to maintain the limits of Allah. These are the limits set by Allah, which He makes clear for people of knowledge, which means that if a husband divorces his wife, he cannot remarry her unless she has married someone else, consummated that marriage by having sex, and then divorced again." Please check the reference from Authentic Hadith Sahih al-Bukhari 5825, Book 77, Hadith 42. Rifa divorced his wife, whereupon Abdurrahman bin Az-Zubair al-Qurazi married her. Aisha said that the lady came wearing a green veil and complained to her, Aisha, of her husband and showed her a green spot on her skin caused by beating. It was the habit of ladies to support each other, so when Allah's messenger came, Aisha said, "I have not seen any woman suffering as much as the believing women. Look, her skin is greener than her clothes." When Abdurrahman heard that his wife had gone to the Prophet, he came with his 2 sons from another wife. She said, "By Allah, I have done no wrong to him, but he is impotent and is as useless to me as this." Holding and showing the fringe of her garment, Abdurrahman said, "By Allah, O Allah's messenger, she has told a lie. I am very strong and can satisfy her, but she is disobedient and wants to go back to Rifa'ah." Allah's messenger said to her, "If that is your intention, then know that it is unlawful for you to remarry Rifa'ah unless Abdurrahman has had sexual intercourse with you." Then the Prophet saw 2 boys with Abdurrahman and asked him, "Are these your sons?" On that, Abdurrahman said, "Yes." The Prophet said, "You claim what you claim, that is, that he is impotent. But by Allah, these boys resemble him as a crow resembles a crow." Please forward this video to any woman who is considering converting to Islam to make her aware of the sexism that exists in Islam. By the way, Nikah Halala is a very active practice among Muslims, especially in the Middle East and Asia, and is often hidden under the radar. You can check the news article in the description for more details.